Embroidery Legacy family. With the holiday season here before you know it, I've got a magical project that you're going to love. We're going to create a stunning Christmas Village Luminaria. This beautiful decor piece will add a warm, festive glow to any room and bring a little Christmas magic into your home. Are you ready to light up your holidays? Let's get started. So the materials we need are water-soluble stabilizer, a pair of double curved scissors, other scissors, masking tape, hot glue. You're going to need an 8x9 hoop and an 8x12 hoop. Now there are two pieces for this, so there's a large and a small. For the large luminaria, you will need 2 pieces of brown felt for the tree design, which are going to be 8x7, 2 pieces of brown felt for the house, which will be 4.5x6, 2 pieces of brown felt for the house, 6x6.5, 2 pieces of no-show mesh that are going to be 4x3, 2 pieces of no-show mesh, which are going to be 6x4.5, and for the large luminaria, you will need approximately a 3.5x7-inch glass vase. For the small luminaria, you are going to need 2 pieces of brown felt for the house design. They will need to be 12x6.5 inches, 2 pieces of no-show mesh, which will be 10.5x4.5 inches, a pair of some battery operated fairy lights. I will put the link for those below in the comments. And the small luminaria will be approximately 3x5 inch for the glass vase sizing. Step 1. Hoop your water soluble stabilizer into your 8x8 hoop. Step 2. Place the hoop into your machine and stitch out the placement lines for the first house design. Step 3. Place the 4.5x6 inch brown fabric over the placement line and secure it with tape. Step 4. Return your hoop to the machine, stitch out the tack down lines, and continue to stitch the door and details of the house. Step 5. Remove the hoop from the machine and turn it over onto your workstation. Using your second piece of fabric, place it over the placement line and secure it down with tape. Step 6. Return the hoop to the machine and stitch tack down lines, followed by the placement lines for the windows. Step 7. Remove the hoop from the machine and very carefully start to cut out the insides of the windows, removing the front, back, and stabilizer. Now take your time with this step and make sure you do not cut into the placement lines. Step 8. Now that you have the windows all cut out, you can place the first of the no-show stabilizer over the windows, making sure to secure them down with tape. Now you're going to want to flip the design over and do that same thing to the back side of the design. Step 9. Return the hoop to the machine and stitch out the tack down stitch for the windows. Step 10. Once the tactile line has been stitched out, remove the excess stabilizer around the windows. At this time, also cut away the excess fabric around the design. Step 11. Return to the machine and finish stitching out the rest of the design. Step 12. Now that the design has finished stitching out, we're going to remove the hoop from the machine and remove the design from the hoop. Step 13. Now we're going to want to carefully cut away the excess stabilizer around the design. Use a warm bowl of water and remove the rest of the wash away stabilizer. Step 14. Complete the other parts of the luminaria following these steps. Now once you have completed all the parts of the luminaria, it is time to assemble the fun part. Using the vase, carefully line up the 3 parts of the large luminaria around the top of the vase. You're going to want to use clips to secure them in place. Now make sure that you overlap all 4 of the designs to kind of ensure that you will be able to glue them all together. And once they are secured to the vase, use a hot glue gun to secure all the pieces together. You're going to want to do the same with the small luminaria. So you're going to line the bottom of the designs up with the top of the vase and clamp them in place. Using the hot glue gun, you're going to want to glue the overlap pieces together. Next, we're going to remove the designs from the vase and place them around the base. Now you can fill the vase with your string lights and enjoy. And there you have it. Your Enchanting Village Luminaria is ready to brighten your holiday nights. I hope you enjoyed making this as much as we did, and if you love this tutorial, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more festive embroidery projects. We'll see you next time.